welcome back to my channel. I am Sheila of bountifulcook.com, and as always, lovely to have you. So today I want to show you guys another recipe. So I know from time to time we may all feel like, okay, look, I love the meat, but I want to kind of have a little detox, so I just want to try something different, or you just want to experiment. So if that's the situation,
then this delicious mushroom stroganoff recipe is exactly what you need. Not only is it delicious, but it's also creamy and healthy, and also vegetarian friendly, and can be made vegan friendly with a few alternatives. So let's get cooking. Okay, here we have our mix of mushrooms ready for our recipe. And the first thing you want to do is to cut these in halves, just like that. We want these as chunky as possible because they do reduce down when you cook them. So you want to cut these into chunks. So we're also going to add some oyster mushrooms on top. And don't worry, this will actually wilt and it will shrink, but you just have to make sure that you do not cover the mushrooms because they already have a lot of water, so you need to actually cook them on a medium to high heat so that they can fry instead of steam. So leave this to cook. Okay, so these are coming along well. You want to go ahead and add some salt, as well as some black pepper. And we're going to stir this and make sure that we've combined it properly. Okay, so we're going to add about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Get that in there. We're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to stir that. We are more or less done at this point. This is where you can actually take one and sample. They taste really good at this point because you've seasoned them and they're well cooked. Woo, look at that. Before you put the cream, just try it. I'm going to try one on your behalf. This kind of reminds me of stealing meat from the pot as a kid. I know I'm not alone. In the kitchen when Mum or whoever turned their back and I was like, that meat has my name all over it. This is that moment. Only difference is this is a juicy mushroom. It is smoking. Let me try. Ooh. Ooh. So good. Mine is probably burning the taste buds off my tongue. So good. Totally my favorite. Let's go ahead and add the cream. Lovely and creamy it's looking. You know it's going to be good. Let's add some sour cream.
Just going to garnish with a little bit of parsley. Okay guys, it's time for the taste test and I'm super excited because this is just so delicious, so creamy, and I feel like it's turned out better than I expected. Okay, let's taste this. This is so good. Make sure you try it out. And if you want more recipes similar to this, you can click on this playlist right here for more meatless recipes. And if you want more mushroom recipes, you can click over here. I've got quite a few on this channel. And as always, guys, it's a pleasure to have you here.